Hey, good morning. This is Matt with 911R Avant-Garde, and we have this 33 Roadster hot rod that's currently live. And so I do a walk-around video and talk about some of the stuff about this car. First, this is a 33 steel original bodied hot rod. It also has a 33 frame underneath it that's been kicked up in the back like a Model A for the quick change rear end. But this car was built really as a show car. It won the Grand National Roadster Show in its class. We have the trophy and everything with it. According to the prior owner and the poster board we have on the car from what was shown, it's got a later flathead V8, one of the 24 bolts. It's been balanced and blueprinted. It's got oversized valves in it. So it's a really strong looking running motor. I'll open this up so we can take a look. You can see everything is detailed out. The Offenhauser heads, the Stromberg carburetors, everything's all paint matched and really done well. You just look at the fuel lines, how it's all put together. The steering box looks like it's been updated as well. It's got a cloth wrapped wiring harness, which is a really nice, period touch item on the car. This hot rod is built in period style. This is like how you were going to build it back in the day, but using a lot better modern parts and materials and stuff. The green painted wheels match the block, the black and green body. When you're looking at the car, out in the sun and type of stuff, sometimes it's even hard to tell that the screen is not black. Walk around to the inside of the car. Really nice touches, all leather, German carpet, beautiful gauges, striped steering wheel. And then inside the glove box, we have your fuel gauge, which is really cool. The paint for the burl on the dash is beautiful. Also has this 3-pack of gauges down here that you can see for while you're driving. But then when you're showing it, you just kind of flip them up and they stay up there. And it's really kind of a neat little touch up. When this hot rod came in, the seat was pretty vertical. Now it's been laid back. It gives a lot of room in the car. If you don't feel cramped up while you're driving and everything. The drive quality in the car was amazing. I was actually totally shocked how great the suspension, the brakes, and everything were on when we went out and did the test drive video. Pretty impressive. Most of the stuff, feels kind of buckboard. This one's really compliant, really comfortable to drive. Open up, you can see the rumble seat in the back. Again, this is all done with leather. Everything inside of the compartment here is all nicely finished, and it looks really good. Again, there wasn't anything they were trying to shortcome or add extra to this car. They're really going for that period correct hot rod style and feel. It's a beautiful car. I'm happy to answer any other detailed questions on it. There's been a lot of stuff been posted on it already. Let us know if you have anything, and use the contact seller button. If you need assistance with shipping as well, let me know. All right, thank you very much.